here we are. February 2010, big snowstorm. Everybody's out trying to keep up with the snow. The neighbors. Looks like there's probably at least 30 inches of snow on the ground. I have no idea how much at this point. We've been working on the driveway, trying to keep the snow down, but it's getting difficult to move snow around because it's so deep. Hopefully this will stop today and we'll get some melting. This is crazy. Everyone's busy. They say we have blizzard-like conditions right now. Winds 40 miles an hour, gusts to 60. Down here at the street it's not too bad. But these big trees up here got everybody worried. That's the top of a mailbox post. Give you an idea of the wind blowing the snow around.